Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carter McDowell in CIS3620 for Global IT, and this is my Exercise 6 assignment for 3D printing in Spain. So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is the action or process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying down many thin layers of material in succession. It is definitely a more thorough process than this that have a lot to go into it, but this is the gist and summary of it to make it more simple. So who is using 3D printing in Spain? So startup companies that specialize in 3D printing are very popular in Spain, and some of those companies are Dynamical 3D, National Robotics, BCN 3D Technologies, and 3D LAC. So when is 3D printing being used in Spain? Over the first couple years in Spain to start 3D printing, one of the first in Spain to start 3D printing models was Be More 3D, is based in Valencia, and they built the first 24 square meter house in Spain in collaboration with the Polytechnic University of Valencia. Its new concrete 3D printer named BEM Pro 2 is the first concrete machine marketed in Spain. It is continuing to grow and expand throughout the country. This is one of the first projects done in Spain for 3D printing and was definitely a milestone for all of technology across the world in 3D printing, and specifically in Spain, since this was where it was started. It has been great for going along in the progress of other startup companies and other 3D building construction companies. So where's 3D printing being used in Spain? The majority of 3D printing companies are based in Barcelona due to its popularity and its dense demographics, but however, there are many in Madrid and Valencia and also throughout other cities throughout the country. So why is 3D printing being used in Spain? 3D printing is being used to create car parts, smartphone cases, fashion accessories, medical equipment, and even artificial organs in Spain. It is also popular for building and designing buildings and homes. So how is 3D being used in Spain? 3D printing is being used in Spain for designing and developing buildings, homes, medical equipment, parts, etc. It is all done through the action or process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying down many thin layers of material in succession. And how is 3D printing related to the 17 SDGs provided by the UN? So of those 17 SDGs provided by the United Nations, I believe that 3D printing applies to good health and well-being, quality education, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, and responsible consumption and production. Thank you for watching.